Mama, happy day to you. So, color blue, color where are you? Yeah, 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 yeah. Lily. Yeah.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Bake and Cook with Nila Louise and Isabella Louise! So today, Bella and I are going to make Choco Lanay donuts using Milo powder! Yay! Before we start, we are going to have a shout out with our dear Papa Elray, who is working hard in the hospital. So my husband is a resident doctor, so he is assigned at the COVID ward as of today. So we are praying for you, Papa. Please keep safe always. We love you so much. So guys, please stay at home always, please. Thank you. Let's get started, Bella.
Yeah.
So first, we are going to make the dough.
Wow. What the?
Next is
Yeah.
So we let the yeast bloom. Here. So we set aside the yeast mixture. Next is
Why? Milo. Milk. What that? Hey.
so we mix this.
Mama. Happy me.
Yes. So we're gonna add the yeast mixture. Oh, that,
Mama. Milo.
oh, we are going to knead the dough.
Ah. Mama.
Yes.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy. We put oil and we cover the dough with oil also. Yay!
Mama. Eat.
And then we cover it with cling film and proof it for 1 hour. So we are going to make the filling. So first is
Milo.
we mix the dry ingredients first. What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wow, Mama, chocolate.
And last is milk. Ah. So we're gonna put this on the stove and then heat it until it gets sticky. So next we're going to make the chocolate glaze. So first is
Bowling. What the?
next is next is last is so this is our chocolate glaze. been fried. So here are the results. So before we coat it, we're gonna make the streusel or the dusting. Lastly, so this is the dusting or streusel. So the donut is cool already. So we slice the donut first.
Mama, try. Thank you. Mama.
Try. Try. No. So we dip the donuts in the glaze.
Lolo. Lolo.
And then we put it dip onto the dusting.
Mama.
Let's now taste our Choco Milo donut. What? Wow! Mmm! Mmm! Yummy, man, Bella. Wow! This is the verdict. Yummy. Wow! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!